Hey folks, this is Justin from the Leonidas Knives and Gear channel. I hope you're doing well out there. This is a follow-up video to the last one I uploaded about I tested another model of this push dagger here. This is a 3D printed push dagger made out of PLA. And the first bit of testing went good on the watermelon, but when we got to the mailing tube, the cardboard mailing tube, it did fail after several strikes. The tip did break off. So we have since modified the design. We have elongated the handle just for a better, more comfortable grip, and made for a right angle triangle, and the material is upgraded to a PETG, so it should be a little bit tougher, a stronger weave of 3D print. So really looking forward to see how this one performs. But we're going to start with the SE Tertiary push dagger. This is a 1095 high carbon, a really nice little push dagger. I carry it quite a bit. Got a really brutal looking little swedge on there, so I have a feeling it's going to do really well on the mailing tube. We're going to go ahead and get started with that and then move on to, I guess we'll call it the Mark II 3D print push dagger. So let's check it out. All right, that really drove in there. All right, okay, on to the Mark II 3D print dagger. Okay, I drove it in. Okay, and I hate to say it, but the tip did not break off. The tip has bent. I'm a little bit shocked by that. That's interesting. I did drive it in, but at the point that, again, the tip had failed and was bent. Didn't break off, but wow. Okay, definitely a little bit shocked by that, but that's why these tests are really good to do. So there you have it. As for the original one, yeah, the tip broke off. So wow, okay. Was not expecting that. Was really hoping it was gonna go through. Yeah, so there you have it. So folks, hope you enjoyed the video. Give me a thumbs up. Please drop me some comments and subscribe. Have a good one.